Hello my people, and hail una across the world. Swale, una welcome to Pidgin News Network, where we dey sama una the latest news for Naija and obodo oyibo. Yarns as e dey pound for we street, parable as dem forefathers dey talk am, tori as e dey blow from we pidgin world go reach all parts of the world patapata. My name na Ororo 20km. The news sabi news. This na Pidgin News Network World News. Person wey waka inside darkness go miss road if you no see person show am light. Na so koro dey do us as medical sabi news up and down the world dey run kirakita dey find solution, but we never get solution o. Dem still dey run o. One day we go solve the koro matter. I wey dey cry dey see road, abeg make we see road for this koro darkness. Dr. Anthony Fauci, of the director of National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease for America, say this coronavirus fit go come back o, and e be like say the thing no go even go sam. So everybody just dey look. We no know the situation. Medical sabi still dey run up and down. Nzobu eyin ba eyin, sosobu eyin ba eyin. For Beirut, Lebanon, plenty people don wunjure as they dey run up and down street. Dey protest against hardship. Dey protest against wahala of hunger wey dey inside this koro wahala. They don block road, they don attack bank, and they don enter different street. Dey bomb. The United Nations say nearly 1 million people wey don miss their road, wey no sabi where to go, wey dem dey call internally displaced people for Yemen war, don dey inside more gbege as coronavirus don find way enter Yemen and dem no know. So dem say dem need $89.4 million sharp to take fight the matter before e go turn heavy gbege. The UN Refugee Agency say koro go mama dem well. Dem no take action now. For Uganda, for inside this koro matter, the people wey dey the National Assembly don turn national cake into private cake. Dem don carry big money share for themselves wey be about 10 billion Ugandan shillings, $2.6 million or £2 million to wey dem suppose use take give committee wey go tell people how to fight koro. They say they go keep the money, do the awareness by themselves. The Uganda president, Yoweri Museveni, don vex well. He scatter body, say the action is morally reprehensible. This one means say it is disgraceful, it is bad, it is wrong and not good for this kind of time, because no be dem suppose collect the money. Committee dey who suppose collect the money. The US Department of Defense don release 3 videos of unexplained area phenomenon akika. This na im dem dey call UFO, unidentified flying object wey dey for space. Dem say dem release this video so that the rumor wey dey go round and video wey dey fly around go stop. Say true the video na true. The Prime Minister of Britain, Mr. Boris Johnson, and im fiancée Carrie Simons don announce say bomb boy don land. Dem don born pikin. Congratulations. Now my people, make we catapult enter Naija for the latest news. Germany talk say dem don give Naija debt relief wey reach 8.9 billion naira, that is 22.4 million euros, sake of this koro matter. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) don approve emergency money of $3.4 billion, that is 2.7 billion pounds, to support Naija for the coronavirus pandemic fight, sake of say oil money dey fall yakata every day, and na for oil Naija dey get money. Dem say na the biggest money support wey dem don give any country wey dey fight this coronavirus be that o. President Muhammadu Buhari and Oga Donald Trump don talk for phone yesterday, and Oga Trump don promise say dem go support Nigeria for this koro fight. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control say dem dey target to test 2 million people for the next 3 months. The Minister of State for Education, Emeka Nwajuba, talk say the Federal Ministry of Education no fit give the date wey school go resume for now until further notice. Alele Mbabu, Alele Mbabu, China must go, Chinko must to waka. The Naija House of Representatives don move motion for bill to give government agency the power to go ahead make dem check all the immigration documents of Chinese people wey dey Naija, to fish out the ones wey enter Naija by back door through wuruwuru and then send them go back their country sharp sharp if dem see them. The bill title na Maltreatment and Institutional Acts of Racial Discrimination Against Nigerians Living in China by the government of China. Naija wan show dem say we get government too and we love our people. The Naija woman wey one Lebanese man wey dem call Will Jero put for Facebook saying one hail sell for $1,000 don get freedom o. Dem don rescue am and dem talk say e dey the Naija embassy there e relax to come Naija. My people, make una join hand together make we fight this koro comot am for this world. We go dey sambalidate una with the latest news as we land for we domot. This na Pidgin News Network where news dey start from. Hail una, kpakam.